So I decided to try a project that was in this copy of Model Engineer's Workshop, which is, I think, the December 2018 edition. And in it, if I can find it, the red mark, there we go, is Mark Noel's idea for a simple portable air dusting setup. Now, he designed it to be super portable and actually attach a PC 12 volt power pack to this, to the a simple tire compressor. But since I don't need to move it around that much and I have a 12 volt battery charger set up in my workshop, I just thought I'd use that. But basically the idea behind this rather clever thing is just to have a very simple dusting setup, a compressed air setup in the workshop. It's very simple to make, it's very cheap to make, and basically I can't afford a really expensive air compressor, and all the cheap ones are unbelievably noisy, which I can't stand, so this is actually a great compromise. As you can see, this is using this Aqua System tank, which is for, I think it's an expansion tank for a heating system. Anyway, I got this on eBay for about 30 quid, I think, including shipping, and it comes already set up with 3 bar of pressure, and it's got an internal membrane, a bladder, to function in a central heating system. And one of the things that Mark Noel says obviously is to cut out the bladder, but leave a bit around the edge to create a gasket, and then you fit that back on, a simple 3/4 inch fitting, a couple of compression fittings, and then some compressed air fittings. I, for convenience sake, have used a Draper curly hose, so to speak, and a very simple pistol. All that fitted onto, if I'm just going to lift it up, onto an overturned flower pot. And the proof of the pudding is in the eating, I take it. So let's have a look. So I'll turn the air on, and let's have a look. It's actually an incredibly clever setup. It's so simple. It lasts me at least 2 days in the workshop, and I'm using it quite a lot. It's powerful, and then when it runs out of air, I simply refill it from the air compressor, the tire compressor. Anyway, thank you, Mark Noel, for that. Really simple. I urge people who may have had the same issues as me to try it. If I can make it, I'm sure you can make it too. Thanks for watching. So I've filled the cylinder to about 55 psi. I'll put the cap back on. Don't need to see this.